time for another video. So we gonna do what's in my refrigerator. Now it is real dirty, but that's because I got kids. But I'm gonna clean it today. I'm gonna clean it. I am. But let's start with the top and make our way down. So at the top, I don't know what's at the top of my refrigerator. It's cereal that been there from 2 shopping trips ago, right? And then it's oatmeal. Oatmeal is actually fairly new. I think we had that this morning. And then there's cups. And then there's a coffee maker that I never used, but it came with the house. So I think I should have used it. So let's go in our freezer. My freezer look like I'm well fed, right? Wait till we get to the refrigerator. So we got turkey sausages that's not old because it can't get expired, but it's like me, I don't like when if it's like, so we go shopping once, maybe twice a month. If it's 2 shopping trips later and your food and that is still in here, I throw it out. Like, I don't care how good it is. I think I need to stop doing that. So like this stuff is all from like 2 shopping trips ago. That's why it's on the wall. So that means it gotta get cooked. So turkey sausage, 2 shopping trips ago. These 2 shopping trips ago, these I really honestly don't like, but I gotta make them. So maybe I gotta jazz them up just a little bit more. So when we had them the first time, I didn't like them, but I didn't jazz them up either, so I didn't do nothing extra. Then we got these. If you ever see my Walmart videos, you know I buy these. I think this is something new. I didn't use this one yet. This is the cheesy chicken. Oh, I did use this one yet. So this one is actually kind of good. They like, I think that one's like $10. So this is what I'm actually about to eat now. I'm waiting for my fries to get done. These are buffalo wings, so I'm gonna tell y'all how they taste. And then these is quesadillas we got from Sam's Club. These is only cheese quesadillas though. Like Earl picked up cheese quesadillas. And then we got another one of them meals over here. This one is like a shrimp one, but I can't make because my sister is here and she's allergic to seafood. So I don't like cooking food that people are allergic to, even though you can cook it. No, not around her. So these are hot pockets that Earl took out the box because nothing else could fit in my freezer. It was so packed up. And then I gotta hurry up and do this. So I got a roast. Yo, the last time I made a roast was so lovely, like lovely as hell, like just lovely, right? So yeah, that was lovely. But the thing about it is, it took me 6 hours to make that roast. I had to put that roast on 300 degrees and baste it every 30 minutes. And that's how you get it from falling apart. Or you could have put it in a crock pot, but I don't got a crock pot, right? So then we got the Edios pizza. These are for my nephews. And they come over and stuff. I know behind here, I'm gonna take time to move stuff. Behind here is waffles and then toasted strudels and the Edios pieces again. And then meat, I'm trying to get into separating my meat more. So this is ground beef. It's 5 pounds split into 2. Yeah, I'm getting better at it so we can have more space. Because last time it was just crowded and we didn't have enough room to fit meat anyway. So actually I'm gonna take one of these out because I need something to cook for tomorrow. Today we eat wings. And then this is my chicken, separated this as well. I think this is actually chicken breast though. So chicken breast is separated. Also, if I move this, I think it's chicken wings as well. Like, because I remember putting drumsticks in a bag. I just don't know where they are. And I put them up so nice. So nice. It was so beautiful. Oh, they're right there. Next to the chicken. Next to the chicken. So, these 2 is chicken breasts. Please don't fall. Hold on, y'all. I actually got the chicken drums right there. And then I got the chicken breast right here. And I'm so mad because I didn't make a video. That would have been a wonderful video. And then I got waffles right here. Waffles again. And then right there is mozzarella sticks at the bottom. Right? So that's on the top shelf. And my freezer be so jam-packed. And then all this is from the last shopping trip. So all the stuff is open. We just didn't finish it. So this is from the last shopping trip, but it's not open. Shopping trip. Why do I keep messing it up? Shopping trip. So this is thighs. I don't know what to do with them yet. So these are burgers, the best burgers in the world. You gotta get the great value pack, the yellow one, because they come in yellow, red, and blue. The yellow one is the best. Never sleep on. Then here go French toast. Here go chicken patties. Earl like chicken patties. Here go tenders. I don't think I ever had them, but I know we had them on the last shopping trip. And this not the same bag, but this is a different bag. And they ate the bag all in one day. I had to put on the whole bag for the kids because they kept eating the sick. And now that I done got 3 kids in my house, 2 nephews and a daughter. Oh, I also got Earl, so you can kind of say that. But this is my freezer. This is my freezer. And that's my top. No, my refrigerator. You would think I don't eat. No, this is my refrigerator. I swear to God, we only use our refrigerator for like snacks and leftovers. Cause look, milk for Maylani. Maylani is lactose intolerant. We got yogurt. We got my sister plate from a dinner 2 nights ago that actually gotta go out. And then we got lunch meat for when I go to work. I work overnight, so I can make sandwiches. And then we got the little yogurts and stuff. And then at the bottom we got what is that? We got corn dogs. And then the chicken is actually for our dogs because our dogs got we give them raw chicken sometimes. And the chicken is like, no, it's nothing bad. Like, it's regular chicken that we buy from the store, but if it can't go inside the Ziploc bag, it go in its own personal Ziploc bags, and we give it to the dogs when they good. It's like a treat. So, and then we got pancake mix, and then we got butter, and then we got hot dogs. We just opened these today. And then we got cinnamon rolls, and then cookies, right? And then this is what I'm talking about. My refrigerator, it would make it seem like we don't eat nothing, right? And then we're gonna go over here because we're gonna go to our cabinet, right? So our cabinet, we got what's them things? Noodles. But it's like Korean noodles because somebody that Earl used to work with is Korean, and she's like, oh, you gotta try Korean noodles, they the best noodles. And then we got some kind of snacks, like 20 snacks. So we got Oreos, my favorite, Triple Boys, but once we open cookies, we put in a Ziploc bags. And then we got my snacks, which is all that healthy. We got Fiber Ones. We got that. Raisin. I think they was the cookies. The oatmeal raisin cookies. Now me, I'm not a fan of oatmeal raisin, but I actually do like oatmeal raisin, like quite frankly. But them, they don't taste like oatmeal raisin. Like they taste better than oatmeal raisin. That's the sad part. So then we got the Fiber Ones. I've been eating this for forever, like since I was like 15. Once I found out about Fiber Ones, these all day. And then we got protein shakes. I was supposed to do a liquid diet, and I was going to use them for my liquid diet, but whenever I started, I'm definitely using them. And then we got Earl chocolate syrup, stuff like that. And I think that's it. And then the like I said, Earl manager is Korean, and she took us to like a Korean restaurant when she used to work with him. Fly, move. But when she used to work with him or whatever, sorry, my hair is a mess. But when she used to work with Earl, she took us to a Korean restaurant that was like in the Northeast or whatever. She was like, oh, y'all gotta try it. It's very good. And we was like, me? I'm the kind of person that if somebody say I gotta try something, I try it. Only because I like to try new stuff. Like my sister-in-law, she's Puerto Rican, and she be trying me, and her family be cooking a lot, and I be trying all the food. I love her aunt chicken. So, stuff like that, I always try. Because you gotta try it. You gotta try it at least once. So that's that. And now I'm cooking. I'm cooking dinner, lunch. I don't know, because I gotta go to sleep after this. I got work. Oh, I forgot to tell you about my cabinets. Hold on. So these are our cabinets, if that fly don't move. So we got honey mustard because Earl's a big honey mustard fan. We also got plates on this one. Plates in here because I don't like washing dishes. Well, I like washing dishes, but I don't got time to wash dishes all the time, okay? So then up here, these are my favorite. I like these. Peaches. Last time, we bought peaches on the last trip, right? And it was in there for forever. We ate peaches the last day that we didn't have, we had food, but we didn't have no snacks. So we was like, oh, we got peaches, and we got peaches, and we ate all 6 cans. So then we bought 6 cans again. So just heads up, they're gonna be there all month. And then we got seasoning that's in the wrong cabinet. It's in the other cabinet. And then some of this stuff is in the wrong cabinet. And we got pasta, seasoning, again, that's in the wrong cabinet. We got tuna that's up there. That's been up there since we moved here. Well, we got it on our first shopping trip. And then we got pineapple juice that been here for a long time. And then we got more plates and taco things, right? Not a lot, because all my stuff is mostly in the freezer, because I realized I need stuff in the freezer more, because some days we don't cook, and then a lot of my stuff in the refrigerator been getting bad, so I just keep everything in the freezer. Then we got popcorn, my seasonings. I don't know why granola is in this one. And then Earl love mac and cheese, so sometimes this whole shelf is filled with mac and cheese. But we got Butcher's baked beans, and then we got some Capri Suns, because Earl's also like Capri Suns a lot. By the way, Earl's my husband, not a kid. But all of this stuff is his. Like the raviolis, that's the beefaroni is his. The mini raviolis is the kids, and because he only like beefaroni. Then we got corn. I love corn. And then we got the chocolate milk. I love chocolate milk. And then we got the pasta sauce. And that's everything that's in my refrigerator. Well, in my freezer, but I also had the Thai in my cabinets. So yeah. And then we keep our tea up there, but only Earl make it because I can't reach it. I don't know why he thought I was gonna be able to reach it, but that's the end of my video. And yeah, don't forget about my giveaway. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Don't forget about my giveaway. Always remember that you gotta subscribe, watch one full video, comment done under the video that you watch, and that's how you enter. At the end, when I get 1,000, I don't know, should I just put all the names in a hat and pick like that, or should I put it on the wheel? And then also, if you got if you watch my videos or share it or comment more, like or share, like if you share it, send somebody else, like it's extra. That's extra entry, so your name would be entered twice. Yeah, so that's how you get extra like chances. But that's the end of my video. Peace, and I gotta go edit and post like another video because I'm also doing a 100-day challenge, and this is really kicking my booty. But bye.